Fair. That's what you say when something can't be changed. In Rust, circuit speed has a ceiling, signal delay, component depth. On large-scale circuits, you just accept it. So what happens when you stop fighting delay and instead remove the waiting? This isn't a shortcut. This is the rule taken to its extreme. This is fair. The journey to the fastest adder Rust will ever allow. So how am I going to do this? First, a quick rundown. An adder is a circuit that takes binary numbers and adds them together. Normally, you'll see something like this. XOR gates for the sum, AND gates for the carry, and OR gates to combine it. This is called a full adder.
Full adder. Tiny in silicon, but a heavyweight in logic.
It works, but only for one bit. To add bigger numbers, you chain them together. And that's where the problem begins. Each adder has to wait for the previous one to finish calculating its carry. That delay stacks. The bigger number, the slower the result. So how do I get around that? Well, simple. I don't. Because there's another circuit that can also perform addition. A decoder. Normally, a decoder is used for control, turning binary inputs into one-hot outputs. But that property is exactly what makes it powerful. A decoder produces an output for every possible input combination, which means if every answer already exists, nothing needs to be calculated. You just select it. That makes a decoder a universal fabric. Encode the correct outputs, and it can become almost anything, even an adder. This is how a decoder becomes a full adder. And this is where the fastest adder in Rust becomes possible. Using RF broadcasters and receivers, I built the fastest decoder Rust can physically allow. Receivers can act like an infinite fan-in or NOR gates. That means the logic never grows deeper, only wider. Now this is a massive project. Right now I've built a 6-to-64 decoder using this method. The plan is to scale it one bit at a time, because every new bit means reworking RF values. But once I reach a 9 to 512 decoder, I'll turn it into the fastest 4-bit adder that will ever be possible in Rust.
Balanced, ruthless, and tuned to the fastest clock Rust will let you run.
So fast that the only way to beat it would be for Face Punch to change the game itself. And honestly, that feels pretty fair, doesn't it?